Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tom yum soup with coconut milk. Start by simmering 4 cups of chicken stock with 2 stalks lemongrass, 4 slices galangal, and 3 kaffir lime leaves to infuse flavor. Add 1 can coconut milk, 200 g shrimp, 100 g mushrooms, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon lime juice, and 2 crushed chilies. Simmer briefly, adjust seasoning, and enjoy. Trim and bruise lemongrass, and slice galangal thinly so they release aroma in the simmering stock. Use homemade or good low-sodium stock for depth without overpowering the coconut. Taste as you go, balancing heat, sourness, salt, and sweetness with chili, lime, fish sauce, and a pinch of sugar to create a vibrant, layered tom yum that feels fresh and comforting. Add shrimp or chicken and straw mushrooms for texture, and finish with cilantro and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy through long kitchen shifts and make a silly but practical gift for cooks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Serve tom yum hot in bowls over steamed rice if desired, garnishing with cilantro and extra lime wedges for guests to squeeze. For a creamier fusion, add more coconut milk or a spoon of evaporated milk versus a lighter clear tom yum omit coconut. Try adding straw mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, or mixed seafood to vary texture and taste while keeping the core aromatic broth intact. Serve immediately to enjoy peak flavors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.